and try to get a product shot. Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine and today I have a short unboxing for you. I bought a Foodie box from a company. It is Christmas themed and it is not what you think. It actually has nothing in it that you can eat. It is from the makeup brand Glamlite Cosmetics. And I will show you, first of all, the front of the box is absolutely so adorable. And my daughter did think that indeed I had bought some Christmas treats. So let's, oh, it's heavy and it's big and there goes my face. Isn't that adorable? It is so cute. I love it. So again, it's by Glamlite Cosmetics. They were running a special on the box. It is, I want to say, $130 worth of product for $45. So it was a steal. And what you get inside, and again, look at this cute box. I'm going to have a really hard time throwing away any of the packaging for this stuff. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness. So pretty. You'll see, it's going to be tough to throw away any of the packaging. It's all adorable. Okay, so it comes with the card first, which I think is super cute too. It says, "Dear Foodie, on behalf of the Glamlite family, we want to wish you the sweetest Merry Christmas ever. Get into the holiday spirit with all of your favorite festive treats." I need a drink, speaking of festive treats. With love, Giselle and team. So cute. Okay, first thing I'm going to pull out. It's the Glamlite Cookies and Milk highlighter, and it is in a little tiny carton. Look at it. Not my face. Look at it. So cute. I love it. I'm going to open it from the bottom because this packaging. I will be doing a video actually using the products as well. This one we're just going to open it up, take a look at it. Lots of little parts to get out. There we go. It's in a little jar. Look how cute. Cookies and milk. Let's open it up. Okay, it has your standard top on it with the little holes. Well, you know what it's going to be really hard to see is the color of it. I'll try and do a swatch of it though. It's a beautiful champagne color with tiny bits of glitter. Don't know if we'll be able to see that on the back of my hand or not, but we're going to give it a shot. Come on up there. Or not. What's wrong? The package has another sticker over the holes, which absolutely makes sense. With these nails, it's hard to get off. Alright, now we've got it. I don't smell any kind of a scent, which a lot of people don't like, so that's probably good. I am a sucker for the scent. I like it. So there, we'll do a nice hand swatch of that for you so that you can see it. It's a very, very shiny, blinding, gorgeous highlight. Very nice. I hope it's not too dark for my face, but if it turns out that it is, I'll either be very sparing with it, or I can always use it as a body highlighter too. And again, I don't smell any kind of a scent on that. I don't know if any of their products are actually scented or if they're just food themed, as in the names and the packaging. Next thing I'm going to pull out is their candy cane trio of brushes. So cute. We'll take them out of the packaging so you can see them better. I'm not sure if their brushes, I've never had a Glamlite brush before, so I'm not sure if their brushes have names or numbers or anything. But we're going to take them out of the package because I can't wait to try them. I'm going to set that aside. These are so cute. They feel nice. They feel nicely weighted and the bristles are super soft. There are 3 of them. Looks like a nice blending brush, one that's slightly smaller, and then a nice tapered flat brush, probably best for packing on products. Very cute, but look at the bottom. That is what got me. Look at those candy cane stripes. So stinking cute. Love it. Alright, next, gingerbread lash. Look at the packaging, people. Look at the Christmas packaging. I can't. It's too much. It is absolutely adorable. And the lashes look really pretty too. I'm not going to take those out of the packaging, but I will probably try them in the video where I'm trying all the products. We're just going to go ahead and leave those in their adorable little package for now. And next, we've got a lip product. Pecan. Do you say pecan or pecan? I say pecan. Pecan pie lip product. Look at the packaging. So cute. I've been dying to try this. It's been here for a couple of days now. The shipping was super fast. I just was on their website this morning and they still had the box. They had a few of those left, so if you still want to get it, hurry up. This one is a very pretty nude. Very pretty. Let's see if it smells. Oh, yes it does. Oh, it has a wonderful smell. I could eat that. Yummy. And we all know how I feel about a nude lip if you've been watching me for any length of time. Not today, but I do use a lot of nude lips. Okay, so this one is the Eggnog Lip Gloss. And again, super cute packaging. And, ooh, it is another beautiful nude color. A little more peachy on this one, I would think. And it's got a different kind of packaging. This one has that awesome mirror that you can use to apply your lip gloss. Very, very pretty. And this one was a lip gloss as well, right? I'm not sure. Yes, the pecan pie was definitely a lip gloss. I was just double checking. So we've got 2 glosses so far. Let's see if it smells good. A little bit different on the wand for this one. Oh, that smells excellent too. Does not smell like the other one. So they definitely smell different. And they are in different packaging, you can see. The one with the mirror is slightly larger. Very cool. And the last lippy product is Red Velvet Lipstick. Ooh, again with the packaging. Red Velvet Cupcake. I think it's going to smell like red velvet. Oh, it's got the same kind of triangular packaging that the gloss had. It also has the mirror. Very pretty. It's very weighted too. The other one was too, the other gloss. They feel really good in the hand. Let's take a smell. Let's see. Very pretty red. With my lights and things on, sometimes it's hard to tell, but it looks like it's going to be a really pretty fiery red. Glosses are so hard to swatch, so I didn't bother with that. But that's the red. Very pretty. We'll let that dry down and see how it looks. See if I can get a swatch of gloss. Gloss just looks like clear, shiny on your hand, I know. This is my first lip products from Glamlite, so I can't tell you if they're sticky or anything like that. This one is the Eggnog Gloss. Can you not focus on my face? It's peachy, it's very shiny. I don't think it feels a tiny bit sticky, but I will wait until I use it actually on my lips when I do the other video to let you know how I feel about whether it's sticky or, because I'm not a huge fan of the sticky gloss. And this one is the Pecan Pie. And you can see that one's a lot more pink based than the Eggnog one. So that's all 3 of the lip products. And last but certainly not least is the eyeshadow palette. This one is called the Pie Palette. Look at this adorable box. It looks like a dessert container. And it has the information on the back. The shade names and things. Oh, so cute. Let's take it out of the box. And it's going to fight with me a little bit. That's okay. It's alright. We'll get it out. It feels kind of like a, oh, I don't know. It almost looks like a vinyl leather look to it. It's soft. It's kind of squishy. That's the back. Again, we have all the ingredients listed, and they tell you a little bit about the palette itself. Let's get in there and look at the colors. Oof, so pretty. It has a plastic protective cover on it. And there you go. We've got a beautiful blush in the center, and then all of the eyeshadows around the outside. It is a heavily pink palette. We do have a few neutrals though. We've got a pop of purple It's really pretty, and it does not smell like pie. It smells like the packaging. It doesn't really have a scent to it. Oh, good job, Glamlite. If you are a sucker for the cute packaging like I am, you are going to absolutely love this palette. I do have another eyeshadow palette by them. I bought their birthday cake palette, and it is gorgeous, and the shades work beautifully. So that was the eyeshadow palette. So you get the eyeshadow palette, 3 lip products, a loose highlighter, and the 3 brushes for $45. And I swear to you, I think I'm going to reuse this packaging because it is the cutest thing I've ever seen in the whole world. I love it. You could use that to wrap a Christmas present in. So cute. And now we are done. That was it. Thank you for joining me for my unboxing. I was so super excited to get into it. Oh, the lipstick has dried down nicely. Yep, totally dry and has a matte finish, it looks like. So that was that. Thank you so much for joining me to open up my Glamlite Foodie box. I love it. I'm so happy that I got it. It was part of my Christmas present. And I knew I wanted to open it a little early to show you what was in there in case you wanted to get a hold of it. The shipping was super fast. So if you want the box though, I would get online and get to ordering that because it is not going to be around for long. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Take care, be safe, and wear those masks. Bye.